Health Info Talk provides health and medical information that is quality assured, reliable, up-to-date and easy to understand.
How beetroot help in hair loss. Beetroot help you to complete your nutritional deficiency that causes the hair fall. Beetroot supply you nutrients like vitamin C, iron, vitamin B6, magnesium and potassium. 100-gram beetroot gives you 1.6 gram of protein. Beetroot is good in stopping scalp inflammation, which is also main reason of hair fall. Good combination of different nutrition makes your scalp healthy. Beetroot strengthens your hair scalp and does not let the hair fall. Juice of beetroot is good for reducing the stress level. So, if you are losing hair is because of stress, then drinking beetroot juice help you out. People who have anemia also face hair loss. It is a disease that happens to people who have iron deficiency. Beetroot has the adequate amount of iron that reduce the hair fall due to anemia.
How to use beetroot for hair loss. There are plenty of ways to use beetroot for hair loss. You can eat it in salad or drink it as juice. Juice of beetroot is the most beneficial to the most people in hair fall. While preparing juice of beetroot, you can also mix spinach or lettuce or carrot and prepare its juice. It is more beneficial. Spinach and carrot juice is also helpful for health of your hairs. Another method to eat beetroot is you can cut in thin pieces and then sprinkle some salt, chili powder. Then add lemon juice for a tangy taste. You can also apply the paste of beetroot leaves on your scalp. It is helpful in reducing the hair loss. Make paste of few beetroot leaves and apply it to your scalp for 15-20 minutes. Thank you for watching Health Info Talk. Please subscribe to our channel for regular updates and news.